Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com. I'm the voice behind the popular kitchen gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to do a British classic and show you just how easy it is to cook frozen battered sausage in the air fryer, perfect for your Friday night supper. Before we dive into this recipe, please note that we've got 1200 plus more kitchen gadget recipes over at RecipeThis.com, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker and many others. Well, these are my battered sausages that I picked up from Farm Foods. And I'm glad I'm using this one because the other ones, which are the Harry Ramsdens, everybody's complaining about how disgusting they are. But I've tried these personally and they are absolutely delicious. So you want to get them opened up. And then get your air fryer basket out and fill it up with your battered sausages. And trust me, these are just as good as they are from the Chippy, but obviously you're saving yourself calories because they're not deep fried, they are air fried. And as you can see, that's the pack of 6 that we've got that we're now going to put back in the air fryer unit. So next you want to turn the air fryer on. It'll automatically be set to 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And then you want to press this button twice to be able to adjust the time. And let's take it down to 8 minutes and then we can check on them. And we've beat. Right, so these are the sausages so far. I'm now going to spray them with some extra virgin olive oil. What this does is makes them super crispy, just like you would expect if you bought them for the fish and chip shop, but at the same time you're still on a serious calorie reduction just by using a little spray in comparison. Now you want to put them back on, and now you want to adjust the temperature and go up to 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit, and then a cook time of just 4 minutes. And we've baked. And there you have it, perfectly cooked, air fryer, battered sausages. Just think, the Chippy in the air fryer, and they're absolutely fantastic to do. You could do the chips at the same time and then have your Friday night supper in the air fryer. And this is one of the Farm Foods battered sausages. These are so nice. They really are nice. It shows you can cook frozen battered food in the air fryer. It doesn't make loads of mess. You can cook the chips at the same time, much cheaper than going to the chip shop. And we got these from Farm Foods, but I believe there's other places that do them as well. And they're just perfect portion, really quick cooking and absolutely delicious. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at RecipeThis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.